In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to use forms in Monday.com. Whether you're brand new to the platform or just want to level up your skills, learning how to use forms is a game changer for collecting information and streamlining workflows. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, let's head over to Monday.com and log into your account. This is your main hub where you'll be able to access all your boards, tools, and features. If you're already logged in, that's fantastic. You're all set to move on to the exciting part. Now let's turn our attention to the left-hand sidebar on your dashboard. You'll see a plus icon there. Give that a click. This action will open up a menu of juicy options. From this menu, select Form. Here's where the magic begins. Monday.com uses AI technology to assist you in creating forms quickly and easily, making this process both efficient and fun. As you're creating your form, you'll be presented with several form options. For the purpose of this demonstration, let's go with the feedback survey template. This particular template is one of the most common and useful ways to collect responses, especially if you're looking to gather insightful feedback. Next up, click on Generate Preview. This step gives you a sneak peek at what your form will look like before you finalize it. After just a few seconds, Monday.com's AI will cleverly build your form for you. Once it's ready, you'll want to hit Confirm to lock in your form and make sure it's saved. Now comes the fun part, personalizing your form. This is where you can edit the questions, adjust the layout, and even add your own branding or style. Customizing ensures that the form fits your unique needs and reflects your brand's personality. Take your time here to make it truly yours. At this point, once you're pleased with how your form looks and works, the next step is to share it. Simply click on Share Form and then hit Copy Link. Now you have a link ready to go. You can effortlessly send this link to your team, clients, or anyone who needs to fill it out, making collaboration as smooth as possible. And there you have it. You've just created, customized, and shared a form in Monday.com like a pro. Using forms in this way can greatly simplify the process of gathering information and keep everything orderly and structured inside your workspace. Thanks for tuning in and exploring this with me today. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more helpful Monday.com tutorials. Your journey to mastering this platform has just begun, and there's so much more to discover. See you next time.